Hey everyone, I'm excited to give you a quick look at a new functionality for AI Assistant in Rise that will help you get past that blank page. So if you've ever been in a situation where you have the resources and the tools to get started, but you can't seem to get pen to paper, this is really a great place where you can collaborate with AI to flesh out an outline and even a first draft of your course. So let's go up here on the left and we'll click on Create with AI. And then what you're going to do is you're going to be brought into this new workflow where you can give AI Assistant some details about what you're building. So I'm going to give it the name, I'm going to give it the source files that I got from my subject matter expert. Here I can upload, videos, links, PowerPoints, you name it, and I can also give AI Assistant some context on how to use them. But I'm going to go ahead and click on Generate Course Details. And what AI Assistant is going to do is it's going to take what it knows about what makes a good course, and it's going to propose some details for me. So things like learning objectives, things like course topics, tone, etc. And I have full control here. So I can edit these, I can change how they appear, I can edit how they're worded, I can add a new learning objective if I wanted to. And I can also download this and say, okay, at this point, I'm going to stop. I'm going to share this back with my subject matter expert, and we're going to get alignment on how this looks. But what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go ahead and click on Generate Course Outline. And then AI Assistant will take what we just agreed on together, what we worked on together, and it'll actually propose a full course outline. So this course outline will have details on what each lesson could cover. And then again, I can react, I can edit, I can add more, and I can keep working with AI Assistant. So let's say that I actually think that there are 5 pillars, right? I can say 5. I can add another one that's about, strong leave behinds, right? So something like that. So this is how I can continue to work with AI. AI is not building this course itself. I am collaborating with it, and I'm really adding my expertise, my organizational expertise, and my expertise as an e-learning designer. So here I can also, again, export and share this back with my subject matter experts. But what I'm going to do instead is I'm actually going to say, okay, AI Assistant, let's see what this looks like as a course. So it'll take what we just collaborated on together, and it'll actually build out a course complete with interactivity, knowledge checks, etc. This will take a minute to load, so I will just pause here. Also, great, you can see my first lesson was just generated here. Again, these take a couple minutes to load because we really wanted to focus on quality here. We wanted to make sure that the output that you're getting from AI Assistant is meeting a high standard. So you can see this lesson is now built out. There's a number of, interactions. There is even a check for understanding down here below. I can continue to refine this with AI Assistant. I can keep working on it here. But I think really the power is that it is so much easier to react to something. It is so much easier to, say, okay, actually this doesn't look right, or this looks right, than to stare at a blank page. Really excited for you all to get access to this. Again, this is really great for those moments where you have a course, you don't quite know where to start. If you have a course like that, throw it in here. Let us know how it goes. And we're excited for you all to just get this head start and to share some feedback. So thank you.